Hello everybody. This is going to be a video of two different types of system sensor Specter alerts. So this video is going to be the Specter Alert Classic versus the Specter Alert Advance. And also just to let you know that this is not being run off the panels or anything like that. It's going to be running off of a 24 volt filtered DC power supply. So the Specter Alert in the Advance is going to sound normal for this test, but it's also going to be unsynced because I don't have the MDL sync control module hooked up that I haven't used yet. So this video, the Specter alerts are going to be unsynced, and we're gonna enjoy the fun. And this is going to be a full HD video retake of the Specter Alert Classic and the Specter Alert Advance going off, and so this is going to be a full HD video, 60 frames per second. So anyways, let's plug in the power supply and make these things go off. Let the fun begin. Here we go. Okay, the next video I will get these synced up, and by hooking up the MDL sync control module that I haven't used yet in the video. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one with the unsynced test. So anyways, thank you all for watching, and that's it.